That's so amazing. Hello. Hello.
This is so much fun, and then I'll be right in there. Hello!
That's it.
He's the famous Einstein. Come here, girl. You wanna come here? You're gonna be bad. Come here. Come here. Good girl. Can you say hi?
Hello.
Can you be a little more polite?
Sweetheart.
Hey, sweetheart. She's fresh. What are you?
And a sweetheart.
Oh, no. Are you famous?
Superstar.
She's a superstar.
I'm making a video.
Tell him your name. What's your name?
Einstein.
Einstein. Girl.
That's
What's your favorite
incredible.
zoo animal?
I've never seen it. I always say it's just good.
What's your favorite zoo animal?
I think this one.
You think this one? Oh, they love you. What do you think of these people? Oh, you love them. Blow them a kiss. Blow them a kiss. There you go. What's your favorite? Okay, I'll wait till shoot. What do you like to drink?
Sweetheart.
No, what do you like to drink?
Here.
No.
No, you drink water. Do water. Can you do water? Can you do happy birthday? Do happy birthday. Do happy birthday. Do happy birthday. Come on. Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you.
Again.
Happy birthday to you.
Again.
Happy birthday to you.
Big finish.
Happy birthday to you.
Girl.
Wow, that's... I've never seen that.
Just a little smoke on the water. Come on. Bow, bow, bow. Bow, bow, bow now. Come on, dance. Bow, bow, bow. Bow, bow, bow now.
Bow, bow, bow.
Bow, bow.
Bow, bow, bow.
Good girl.
Wow, maybe.
How long
Say when
is
it's time to go.
Bye.
All right, can you do a cat? How about a dog? Can you bark? Can you bark? How about call the dog?
Come here. Come here.
it? Wow.
Come here.
Good girl. This is a fun sound. Can you fall down? Fall down. Einstein, fall down. Fall down. Fall down. Will it hurt?
Ow, ow, ow.
Oh, okay. Fall down. Fall down. You don't want to? You want to do anything? What do you want to say to all the folks here in Tennessee? Yeehaw. Little Southern girl. All right. She has about 75, 80 different sounds on cue. And
How long has it taken?
well, she has